Ça vous dérange si je prends des photos de vous? Par du skate?
Non,
Ouais,
non,
ça?
You also video on Instagram, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You do like a lot of tutorials.
Yeah, tips and tricks on Insta.
Yeah, but you're not from Paris, right?
Alright everyone, welcome to Paris. We're in Paris for a few days, so I thought we'd do another little POV. So once again, we're using the 85 Sigma, but we're also going to be using the 16-35 G Master lens, just because there are some really nice landscape places which I think a wide-angled lens would do pretty well. So I brought that along with me, and so yeah, we're just going to explore Paris a little bit, grab some pics. Yeah, you can see already that there's some really nice architecture in Paris, which is super cool. We are currently walking around the Victor Hugo area, and we're going to Trocadero, which is right next to the Eiffel Tower. Like, that's the main spot everyone goes for the Eiffel Tower, and we'll probably swap to the 16-35 once you get to that location. But yeah, it's probably worth swapping to the 16-35 right now, because like you can see right here, a wide angle would just be so nice. So I think what we're going to do is quickly swap over. Let's grab a little picture here, and we'll swap over in the streets. So I don't know if you can see, but we've actually got a Cine Bloom filter by moment. So I don't know how this is going to do in daylight, so we'll try it for now. 16-35 is going to be really good for these kind of shots. Even if we get a nice one. Oh, and we got an Aston Martin as well. Let's put a picture of it. Take advantage of this and just grab some pics of the car. Yeah, that looks nice. Cool. So just arrived in Trocadero. So on the right here we've got the Eiffel Tower, which you can see, and then on the left here there's this massive roundabout, and you can see right here there's no lanes whatsoever. Shots there. Like that, and the DHL van. That looks pretty cool. And the scooter. Cool. But yeah, you can see it's absolutely packed right now, and unfortunately it looks like there's a bit of construction going on here. So it hides a bit of the Eiffel Tower, but we'll see what we can get. But I think we can grab a cool little shot up here. So let's give it a go. Jump up here, and then let's see. First we put our feet in the bushes. Probably grab a cool shot like that. Right, we don't need that continuous shooting anymore, so we'll go back to low. All right. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Yeah. It's quite cool because there's actually people who've started to put locks on these little grids. So it'll be quite a cool little perspective. Yeah, we can also do manual focus, just to focus on the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, let's move down a bit because I want to get a bit of the water in this shot as well. I think that'll be pretty cool. We've got some people doing the famous Instagram pose here. So you can grab a cool one as well. It's pretty cool. I think we can get quite a cool perspective. I'll wait for these guys to grab their photo, and then I think we can get some cool leading lines with that Canon looking thing. Alright, let's have a look and see what we can do. Try and get a reflection in the water. I don't know how it will look. Right, let's get back up there. Ooh, looks like there's a Ferrari there. Let's try and grab a pic of it quickly. Oh, looks like they're parking actually. Hello.
Hello.
Oh shit. I'm quite tempted to walk on the street quickly and grab a picture, because you got cool leading lines here. If I didn't get too to that, we'll run over. There's a car here. But yeah, that is cool. Right, let's get out of the road. One of the harbours looks, yeah, a bit overexposed, but still looks pretty good. Cool little spot. If you come right here and get in the centre and just look up, especially with a 16 mil, you get this nice unique perspective. Alright, so there's a cool shot here because the sun is actually behind the Eiffel Tower, but I have no idea how it's going to look. And once again, there's like scaffolding and all of that, which kind of ruins the photo a little bit, but there's nothing we can do about that. So let's try and get the top half. So this is a street I was talking about. It's called Rue de l'Université, so University Road. It's literally such a sick spot to take photos of the Eiffel Tower because you got a bit of the Paris buildings, and then of course the Eiffel Tower, which looks super awesome. I'm not too sure what these buildings are called, but I think there's a name for it. But I just love them so much, and they're so different to the UK, where it's just like so symmetrical, which is so cool. So if you like the symmetry, definitely come down to Paris. You won't be disappointed. All right, so we're now walking towards Alexandre Le Troyes Bridge. I've just noticed this little puddle right here, so if we get down, maybe we can get some cool little shots. Police van, it's quite cool. So we've just crossed the Alexandre Bridge, Alexander III. So we're making our way to the Louvre right now. There wasn't too much interest or like point of interest on the bridge, to be honest, except for the Eiffel Tower, which we're grabbing now. But yeah, it's been quite fun just walking around Paris. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. So I believe we're just walking through here and then we're at the Louvre. Alright, let's go in here. So that's if you want to go down into the Louvre. Oh, that's so nice. I literally can't see my camera. Hopefully it looks cool. So I've walked back on myself a little bit because I saw this mini Arc de Triomphe. So I thought, why not grab a pic while I'm here? But yeah, this looks really cool. You can see like the sun rays on there, on the floor, and it gives it a cool little effect. And we'll also get one in the centre as well. Maybe we can get the pyramid in line with it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's give it a go. Oh yeah, love that. Let's get low again. Boom. And now we can go to the Louvre and go see the pyramids. There's a cool little spot right here actually, because there's two of the pyramids kind of aligned, and then we've got the building too. So we'll try and see what kind of shot we can grab. Wait for these guys to get out of the way. If you could see the position we're in right now, you'd laugh. Ça vous dérange si je prends des photos de vous? Faire du skate?
Non,
Ouais,
non,
ça?
Comme je faisais là?
Ouais, ouais.
Ah, tu fais un shoot?
Ouais, c'est cool, j'ai pris des photos comme ça.
Ah, ils sont cool.
Ouais, je t'envoie des photos. Merci. Alright guys, so we're going to end the POV video here. I've got about a minute left on this SD card. But yeah, just done a quick tour of Paris. It was like a little speed run, so you can kind of see around Paris. Pretty fun. I think I'm going to do one in Montmartre as well, so I'm going to go there over now. That'll be a separate video. But yeah, drop a like if you enjoyed this, subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know which city or which lens you want me to film with next. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!